Hi, today I want to show you how to access the electronic version of the Bedford Book of Genres. I'll begin by starting at the FSU bookstore website. When I go to this site, I want to make sure I have my course prefix, number, and section number handy. You can find this information on your registration or on your syllabus. So I'll go to Books and I'll select Textbooks and Course Materials. Now I'll enter in my information. I'll make sure the term is correct. I'll select my course prefix, the course number, and then my section number. Now I can see the Bedford Book of Genres. I'll select to rent this digital book and add it to my cart. Now I'll finish shopping for my other classes and I'll check out. Once I've checked out, the FSU bookstore will give me a code which I can redeem on the VitalSource website. To get to this site, I've just gone to vitalsource.com. Before I begin, I'll need to create an account. If you've used VitalSource with any of your other classes, you can have the same account with multiple textbooks. But if I don't have an account, I'll need to create one. I'll mention that I'm a student in college. I'll enter my information, and then I'll continue on. Once I've logged in, I'll be able to redeem the code that the bookstore has given me. If while redeeming the book you get an error message, you'll want to contact both the bookstore and VitalSource tech support. After I've added the book, I'll be able to see it on my digital bookshelf. If I go to my bookshelf and it's empty, again, I'll try redeeming the code that the bookstore has given me. To enter the book, I'll just click on the icon. The digital book has a number of advantages. First, it's very easy to navigate, not just to specific parts or specific chapters, but even then to specific sections. As I read, if I find something that I find particularly important, I can easily highlight it. I can add a note. And I can even create a flashcard. I can organize all of my highlighted notes, and I can export them to OneNote or I can print them. I can also control how I'm viewing the page by working in the right-hand corner of my screen. Another great feature about the electronic book is the Read Aloud feature. To access that, I'll go to Labs, I'll go to the page where I want the program to read aloud to me, and I'll select Read Aloud.
W. Hat is rhetoric. Rhetoric refers to the ability to communicate effectively and with a purpose. So what is a rhetorical situation? It's the context in which you create a composition.
As you can see, I can adjust the rate of speech as well as the pitch and the volume. Finally, if I want to search for a term throughout the book, I can use this search feature. And within seconds, I now have every instance of rhetoric used in the chapter that I'm in. Well, thank you so much for going on this short tutorial with me. I hope you enjoy your ebook.